In this video, I'll show you how to install games on Steam. If you don't have any game on Steam yet, don't worry, I'll walk you through everything step by step. First, open Steam and go to the Store tab at the top. Here you can browse thousands of games. If you're looking for something free, move your mouse over Categories, then click on Free to Play. This will show you a list of games you can download without paying. Take your time, scroll through, and click on any game that looks interesting. Once you find a game you like, click on it to open its page. Then press the Add to Library button. Steam will automatically add it to your account. Next, go to your Library tab. You'll see the game you just added listed there. Click on it, then press the Install button. A window will pop up asking where you want to install the game. Here you can choose your install location. If you want to install the game on another drive, click Add Drive, select a different drive, and create a new Steam library there. Then choose that location for your install. You can also choose whether to create a desktop or start menu shortcut during this step. After that, click Install and Steam will begin downloading the game. You'll see the progress in your library. Once the download is complete, the Install button will turn into Play. Click it and you're ready to enjoy your game.